Do you know anything about the egg diet? A great method to improve your health is to eat egg. Guard your eyes. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in eggs, both have eye-protecting properties. You can find both of these antioxidants in the yolk. These antioxidants lower the chance of developing macular degeneration and cataracts. According to research, individuals who took 1.3 egg yolks daily for nearly 5 weeks saw increases in their blood levels of lutein and zeaxanthin help your body prevent breast cancer. A study discovered that eating eggs as a teenager may help shield your body from developing breast cancer. I'm sure you're asking how on earth that could be. Choline, which is present in eggs, has been shown by researchers to help prevent breast cancer by 24% accelerate your weight loss. You may be surprised to learn that eggs can accelerate your weight loss. Hearing this surprises a lot of people because they've always been led to eggs are harmful and high in fat. However, a study discovered that having eggs for breakfast really contributes a daily caloric restriction of more than 400 calories, protects your liver. Eggs are strong in choline. A study found that women with high choline diets had a decreased chance of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The liver creates a significant amount of cholesterol every day, which is an essential component of cell membranes. The liver doesn't have to create as much. We consume eggs. In summary, incorporating eggs into your daily diet can offer numerous health benefits, from reducing inflammation to protecting your liver. So why not start enjoying the incredible benefits of eggs today?